Ladies and gentlemen, we belong to a world of differences, tied with the bonds of diversity, and as a nation of such a world, I wish you all greeting of the day. I am Akshit Kumar, a 7th grader from Jammu Sanskriti School, Jammu, who consider himself as a LGBTQ rights co- contivist. So, I would like to present you a small piece of my activism towards the PPT I have prepared. As we can see in the, ma'am, could you please move on to the previous slide?
This one?
As we can see in the second slide, the diversity that belongs to the LGBTQ community is visible. Ma'am, move on to the third slide. Okay. The spectrum of the LGBTQ community is very wide, but to cut it short, I would like to present the main context of, of the slides, which includes reason for bringing up the topic, interpretation to the LGBTQ community, social problems faced by the community, and possible solutions. To the next one. Ma'am, next slide. The main reason of bringing up this topic is that homosexuality was, is, and will always be there, but not acceptable everywhere. I see a lot of people from LGBTQ community suffering from discrimination, abuse, inequality, torture, violence, and being called out by a different name just because of expressing themselves, expressing who they are and who they love. Even after the passage of Article 377 in India, and since it's Pride Month going on, let's shed some light on the wide spectrum which falls under under the shape of rainbow flag. Next slide. Now, as we talked about my reason, just for acknowledgement and intro, I would like to introduce the actual interpretation of community. LGBTQ plus is an acronym acronym where the alphabet stands for following words. L stands for lesbian, G stands for gay, B stands for bisexual, T stands for transgender, Q stands for queer, and plus stands for other sexual orientations coming under the spectrum of the community. The Britishers might have left us, but their rules still resides in our India today. The given importance to English language, table manners, and most importantly, non-acceptance of LGBTQ community. Due to their own law, their community wasn't accepted by all, but as for now, when they have let us, we still are not able to accept them. Our society is not able to accept them, even after the decriminalization of Article 377, which further causes many problems to the people belonging to the community because of the fact that homosexuality is something different from heterosexuality and its norms, including the examples of curtain genders such as Adam and Eve, Romeo and Juliet, Jack and Jill, and other stereotypes. The people belonging to the community faces many problems. People ignore the fact that being a part of the LGBTQ community is natural, so they don't accept then existence. The stereotypes made by the people about the presence of only one kind of relationship orientations neglects the society to accept the diversity of the community. There are not many platforms on local level to present the community, and hence the society leads to not accept them. Many sacred books are used as some source and a weapon to let down the community and make people not accept it. The fear of being abandoned as homosexuality and queer identities may be acceptable to more Indian youths themselves before, but within the homosexuality of families, homes, schools, acceptance still remain a constant struggle from the LGBTQ people. After all these problems, we just should not leave the idea to bring solution and hence. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present my solutions to eradicate the problems faced by the community in the society. First, we can start from schools. As in schools, there are mostly washroom for two genders, which might be depressing for trans and non-binary children. So in order to make them feel comfortable within the school premises, there should be washroom for other genders as well, or an all gender washroom. Okay. The second thing we can do is spread awareness through online platforms, website, and as locality. We can do camouflage cam campaigns, and schools should educate children about this topic as well. There should be strict no bullying and raising rules in the rules to ensure the safety of LGBTQ plus people. Helplines should be set up for the people belonging to the community in order to reach up to the people being abandoned from homes or the ones who need help. Thank you and have a nice day.